Hello everyone. Have you ever felt like your mood is immediately changed and you continued with different works? Yes, moods and emotional swings is goods and naturals, but within minutes and seconds is unnaturals. So in this video, I am going to discuss with you all teenage fellows a very dangerous disease in today's world about all 99% adults and teenagers and no one discuss about it, and that is withdrawal symptoms. So basically, what is withdrawal symptoms? In simply, when the regular dosage of any addict things like in form of food, drugs, caffeine, alcohol, smoking, or any street food, in form of visual, it may be any inappropriate contents, movie, web series, or anything which is addictive, and in form of audible like any beats or bases of any musical and instrumental tunes, or any unnatural behavior is discontinued for a few days, then the person feels a psychological disorders and changes, and the person may lead to nausea and sickness. And the most common symptoms is observed in withdrawal symptoms is mood swings, aggressiveness, irregular sleep cycles, procrastinations, loss of interest in hobbies, and the most common warning sign of drugs use or alcohol or smoking or any unnatural things includes always try to keep private and isolated, deteriorating and rebellious relationship with friends and families, weak spiritual powers, and many more. And apart from all these symptoms, we can saw many more symptoms in all of them who are addictive natures, and it leads to a very horrible psychological and mental disorders, and it automatically convert into a very big life-threatening disease in our body. So finally, what are the medication and treatment of all these? Firstly, till now, I am not belong to any medical professional background, but being a psychology student and with all proofs and evidence, I am going to tell you some steps to cure all the early stages of psychological disorders, which is mentioned in many psychology books and many great psychologists. But if the cases and symptoms is very serious, then immediately visit a professional psychologist clinic and follow their medicines and advices. Step on. Keep ourselves slow down and calm down. In today's AI world, our brain and our neurons become cooked, and all the activity and movements of our body in just like in milliseconds, 1 second, 2 second, 1 minute, 3 seconds, and our life is become like a shorts video. I'm telling like this because when our nerves fluctuates and a neurotransmitter transmit the signal to our nervous systems and try to receive the chemical signals in similar speeds until we take ourselves in rest. Step 2, meditation in the form of different spiritualism. Step 3, the physical movement, the most important factors. And the step 4, that is the only involuntary process of our body we can take control of it, that is breathing exercise, especially before sleeping. When we do breathing exercise, we take control of our many body parts like medulla oblongata, parts of our brain, heart's parts, and many lungs parts, and many involuntary things which we can't take control of it, and by the breathing exercise we can take control of it by ourselves. Thank you. Have a physically and mentally healthy life.